this is my scooter.
My scooter is in cart.
Dun, dun, dun. Thief has so many ways to cut. So this is a beautiful view. So you are hearing the beep beep sound and it's not working. It's not working. So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will unbox this new ninebot KickScooter Max. I ordered it from Amazon. I also ordered some accessories like scooter lock, mobile holder for e-scooter and one bag. So here is it, ninebot Max G30P. Let's fix it. How to fix it? Okay, it is locked now. So this is a booklet, this is a charger. So we can also do Uber Eats, and it's very helpful when we go for a grocery. It saves our time, so that's why I bought it. So it can be charged from oh no. So there are total 6 pages. So if I talk about the features, the speed of the scooter will be 30 km/h. If I talk about range, it can be last for 40.4 miles. So there is a front LED. It has a dual brake system. If I am going somewhere and there is an incline, it will be work on incline as well. It is a weather resistant, water resistant, so I can use it in any weather. Let me charge it first. It's already charged with 92%. I think I don't need to charge it again. Let me read this quick start book. I need to connect it with Bluetooth, then I can use it. So now it's connected with Bluetooth. It is ready to use. So now I will unbox some accessories for this. So I will upload all the links in the description, so you can buy scooter or these accessories from the link. Okay, so I think this is a lock. So this is a lock. Okay, a very good quality lock with cheap price. I searched a lot, then I ordered it. There are 2 keys with this lock. So let me show you another thing. So this is a bicycle phone mount. It is also with best quality, so you can buy from the link. So if I want to lock this scooter, so I just need to, there is 2 locks, 1 and 2. So in transit I can travel with this e-scooter. Car is best than this, but I wanted to buy this because it is a unique thing here in Canada. So fix it with this and lock it. Okay, it's fixed. There is also horn, cycle horn. Dun, 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 dun. Accessories done, and also I ordered one bag for Uber Eats. So this is a bag, so you can use it for Uber Eats, DoorDash. It's a good quality bag. It can be open like this. Okay, it's good. Let me fix the lock. Use keys here. Unlock it. Now it's locked. So there are 3 modes. So this is a eco mode, this is a D mode, it's a super fast mode. So hey guys, this is my scooter. I cannot ride it with one hand. To be honest, I bought this scooter because I wanted to do Uber Eats, but I changed my plan because of raining, snow. Finally I find my job. Overall this is a good scooter. This horn is very great. gives me relaxation in my ears.
So see guys, I did my grocery and it's very helpful. It's saving my time.
I was coming from work. I decided to go for a grocery.
Hey guys, see my scooter? How's it?
If you want to buy these accessories or scooters, so you can go to description and you will get a link. I was traveling in train, SkyTrain. We can travel with this e-scooter on SkyTrain, bus. I go to work on this scooter and it takes only 10 to 15 minutes. When I was going by bus, it was taking around 45 minutes. I just bought it from Walmart, so don't ride it without helmet. I will also share some helmets link on description. So I bought some stuff from Amazon, like this cap. Let me wear it. I also bought this gloves from Amazon. The good things about this is a waterproof gloves. You can also use your phone touch screen while wearing these gloves. So let me ride it. I logged my e-scooter from the app. So you are hearing the beep beep sound and it's not working. It's not working. So you can lock your e-scooter from the app. You just need to slide that. If you want to use your lock, then make sure lock it from this area. Just lock it. Now it's locked. So always lock from this area because this area is very safe. Don't lock from this side. So I am riding my scooter and this is a lake. So this is a beautiful view in Port Coquitlam. The beautiful view. So I am riding my scooter on this bridge.
I'm doing grocery in Costco and my scooter is in cart. It is very convenient. There is no any restrictions for taking e-scooter while doing grocery in Walmart or in any grocery store. So I ordered this waterproof phone holder. So this was my old one. I was using it, but now I will use this. You can also charge your device, so it can be moved. We can tight it. Now it will not move. This one is very strong. No one can stop me to ride my e-scooter. It was raining outside. I was still riding my e-scooter. It's raining outside. I'm in Walmart for grocery.
My scooter is in Walmart. This is my raincoat. You can do grocery in Walmart or in any store with your scooter. But yeah, when I was in Dollarama, one representative, the old lady, said to me that you cannot come in with your e-scooter, so park it outside. But in Walmart, in Costco, no one said to me that you cannot keep your scooter inside while doing grocery. So enjoy your e-scooter and buy it from the link. So hello guys, I am in Canadian Tires. I am buying another lock for my e-scooter because one lock is not enough. Thief has so many ways to cut this lock easily. So that's why 2 locks are important for your e-scooter. Let me show you some locks. I am planning to buy this one. I just bought this lock.
So guys, I just finished my swimming today and let's see my scooter is there or not. Yeah, it's there. It is safe. I locked it with 2 locks, number lock and this lock. So it is safe. You can use 1 lock, but I am using 2 locks because of safety. If thief will break this one, this pipe, so then I will not responsible. Canadian government will be responsible for this.
So this is my scooter, and this is a waterproof phone holder, so I can navigate, and I put it here. So you can buy any accessories like helmet, phone holder, locks, e-scooter, gloves, winter mask, winter caps. So I will upload everything and you can buy from the link. So thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. It really motivates me. Thank you so much.